Hello dear students, today we will learn about future continuous tense. It is also known as progressive or imperfect tense. Today we will learn how to create sentences, simple sentences, and also how to create negative and interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences that always contain uh, questions in them. Now when we can use future continuous tense? We can use or it talks about an action that will be in progress at some time in future में होने वाला उसके लिए हम यूज करेंगे future continuous tense. Let us understand about singular and plural pronouns, and let us look what is the first person. I and we, they both are first person, but I is singular, we is plural. Second person, so second person to whom we are talking. So what is the third person? Third person, about whom we are talking. Also a singular person are he, she, it, any name, the name of Sam. And plural, in plural third person is they. Let us understand the formula of future continuous tense. In this subject, first of all we write subject, then be form, to be form, then verb plus ing and object. So first subject is I, we, next shall be, and next we add play plus. In the next we will add play plus ing. Play is a verb, that is first form, and we use ing with this. And object is football here. So in future continuous tense we always use shall be with I and we. Next pronouns are you, he, she, Sam and they. Sam is the name of any name of a person. We can add any other name also. So we use will be plus play plus ing and plus object. Let us understand with the help of some more examples of future continuous. I shall be playing football. We shall be playing football. You will be playing football. They will be playing football. He will be playing football. She will be playing football. And Sam will be playing football. Let us understand how we can create negative sentences in future continuous tense. So in this, first of all, we will add subject, then to be form. To be form means we have to use be form of verb, then verb plus ing, then object. So now again there all the things are the same. I and we use shall be with them, but in this we have in between shall or be we have to add not, and then verb plus ing and then object. Play is the first form of verb, then ing, and then football is an object. So we can also write in the place of shall not, we can write shan't. We can write shan't be also. So we can say that I shan't be playing football. Now next sentence. You, he, she, Sam, they will not be playing football. So we use be, not between will and be. Only this we have to do in the negative sentences. And in the place of will not, what we can write? We can write won't. So what we can write? You won't be playing, or they won't be playing football. It's very simple. Okay, now we will create more negative sentences. Let us see how we can create. For example, I shall be playing football. And next, in the negative, I shall not be playing football. So we have to write not after shall for creating negative sentence in future continuous tense. Next, we shall be playing, we shall not be playing football. You will be playing football, you will not be playing football. They will be playing football, they will not be playing football. Next, he will be playing football, he will not be playing football. Next, She will be playing football. She will not be playing football. Sam will be playing football. Sam will not be playing football. Let us learn how we can create interrogative sentences in future continuous tense. जो क्वेश्चन वाले sentences है वो कैसे write करते हैं? So first of all, so in the beginning of the sentence, first of all we have to write will or shall. Then we have to write the subject. Then we will write be and then plus verb plus ing and then object. So we always add shall with I or we, then be, then play plus ing, then football. So in this way, so let us move to the example. I shall be playing football. So shall, we have to write the shall in the beginning. So shall I be playing football? Next, we shall be playing football. So write the shall in the beginning. Shall we be playing football? You will be playing football. Will you be playing football? They will be playing football. Will they be playing football? He will be playing football. Will he be playing football? Shall she will be playing football. Will she be playing football? Sam will be playing football. Will Sam playing football?